Have you ever felt like you're constantly broke, even though you're bringing in a decent income? Or maybe you've tried budgeting before, but it just didn't stick. If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with their finances every day. But there's a tool that can help you take control of your money, YNAB, or you need a budget. YNAB is more than just a budgeting app. It's a powerful financial tool that can help you reach your financial goals, no matter how big or small. But to truly harness its power, you need to understand how to use it effectively. The core principles of YNAB. At the heart of YNAB are 4 core principles. Give every dollar a job. This means that every dollar you earn should have a specific purpose. Whether it's paying bills, saving for a vacation, or contributing to your retirement fund, every dollar should be assigned a job. Embrace your true expenses. This principle encourages you to be honest about your spending habits. Track every dollar you spend, no matter how small. Roll with the punches. Life is full of unexpected expenses. YNAB helps you navigate these financial curveballs by prioritizing your spending and adjusting your budget as needed. Age your money. This principle emphasizes the importance of time. By giving your money time to grow, you can achieve your long-term financial goals. How to set up YNAB. Setting up YNAB is a straightforward process. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget for the current month. This involves categorizing your income and expenses. Assign every dollar a job. As mentioned earlier, assign every dollar you earn to a specific category. Track your spending. Use YNAB to track your spending throughout the month. This will help you stay on track and identify areas where you can cut back. Roll with the punches. When unexpected expenses arise, adjust your budget accordingly. Prioritize your spending and move money around as needed. Tips for successful YNAB usage. Here are a few tips to help you maximize the benefits of YNAB. Be consistent. Use YNAB regularly to track your spending and adjust your budget. Be honest with yourself. Don't hide your spending. Be honest about your financial habits. Don't be afraid to adjust. Your budget is a living document. Don't be afraid to adjust it as your financial situation changes. Celebrate your successes. Celebrate your financial victories, no matter how small. YNAB is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By following the core principles and using the tips above, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.